feel like, guys, with this water, this boat, it's about the only thing I'm going to have any luck with. Working something across the bottom. We pretty much do everything. So I'm just going to keep working this black and blue jig with a green, or kind of like a blue swirl. It's like green with a blue swirl lake shell. I'm probably going to go out to the middle. Here goes nothing. We'll give this guy a go. Hopefully I don't lose it out here on down the chimney or something out underneath the water somewhere. Guys, I think I'm going to pack up and head over to this other side. Fish this other side that's like 10 times smaller, if there's any fish over there. This place floods, and there's a tunnel or pipe that leads from this side to that side, and those fish swim through when it floods like this. Because I saw about a maybe 5.5 pounder over there back in the fall. So maybe he's still over there, but I'm gonna go over and hit that little spot. All right, guys, we are in on this other side. There's a few baits in these trees too. I'm gonna try to grab. Chatterbait right there. I need that. Shoot. See that? Chatterbait. Check it out, guys, brand new chatterbait. Needing one of those bad boys. You gonna put in over here or you leaving? I'm about to fish back through here. I mean, it's worth a try. Another bait. I seen that bad boy reflecting from the bank. Frog. Topwater bait there. So far I've found 3 lures. Maybe we'll find some more. But I'm about to start fishing. Got him. Oh my God. Oh my God, guys. This is a good one. This is a good fish. Yeah. Oh my God. Woo! That's, well, it's not bad. 2 pounder maybe. Golly. That scared the shit out of me. I knew, guys, it would pay off coming back here in this spot. Look at that guy. Freaking, that's a good size. That's the biggest one I've caught this year. Not huge, but it's damn sure beat all the other ones that I've caught so far. Look out, guys. Yes. Yes. Got rid of that skunk too. I'm say 1.5 pounds. Guys, we're gonna get the release on this bad boy and put him back. Alright guys, I found this frog today, the chatterbait, and this little spinnerbait, rooster tail, whatever you want to call it. And then the last couple, 2 or 3 days, I didn't even think about filming it, but I found this, and this little spinnerbait here. So that's the good thing about kayaks, is that you can get to spots that other people can't get to. So that's good little chunk of baits there that I found. Pretty cool. Free? Can't beat free, can you? We're sitting here about to pull off, and Shane found another lure laying right here on the ground. I guess it's our lucky day. I guess somebody didn't feel like untangling them. Look at that, man. How does that even happen? God almighty. Oh well. Free lure. All right, guys. That's going to complete day 6 of the 30-day fishing challenge. We ended up getting lucky again and pulling one out right there at the end. So yeah, we're going to call it a day and head to the house and work on this video. See y'all tomorrow. Peace.